Alright, so what's the plan for today?
We're going to try and hook the motor up to the gearbox.
Finally. How many times do you reckon you've pulled apart the gearbox and put it together again?
Well, at least 8.
He's still not happy either. But we'll find out what happens when it's under load. I'm confident, Adolfo's not. Anyway, it's a good day. We're going to marry the motor and the tranny. It's going to be good.
Installed the new thrust bearing that can't go on backwards. Moves. That's going to rattle.
Oh, really? A Land Rover that rattles? That's no good.
I'm a bit excited.
Should be cool. How the fuck do we lose things all the time? Where'd you go?
Oh, it's just down the stuff.
Have you tightened up all of your bolts? No. You're still fuck-assing around with other shit. Fuck me. Would you just tighten those 4 fucking bolts?
I stress out,
You
mate.
fucking kill me.
Yeah, you tighten it on the stress out.
Oh, fucking get one job done, you dumb fuck.
Alright.
I'm going to move this out to make your life easy. What's that? What's that for? The cylinder?
That's a clutch.
We're not ready for the clutch cylinder. Don't fucking worry about it.
I'm worried about it. I don't think I rebuilt it correctly.
God, you fucking kill me.
I'm a fucking cockhead.
You shit.
Stress over
You
fucking
just
everything.
laugh about like an old mole. In the air, married together. Bring that on. We'll put a few auxiliary parts on it and then put it to bed. And there we go. She's put to bed on her trolley. She shouldn't be there too long. All we've got to do is get the chassis rolling, and then she'll be going straight on the chassis. And no doubt Adolfo won't be able to help himself, and this thing will start about 20 or 30 times. But that's okay. It's been a good day. We've had some fun.
Be a drive to Coles as well.
Drive to Coles as a chassis. But no, we got rid of some bits. We put some engine mounts on, the starters on, the clutch master cylinders on. So
That's a slave.
slave cylinder, there you go. I'm not a mechanic, I'm a boilermaker. But yeah, we're starting to get to the fun part of this project. See you next time.